What's up, everyone? This is Scott the Barber, man. Got a job I had to work on today. 2008 Cadillac DTS. Man, I had to pull out the alternator, and the only way to get to this daddy is pull off the front clip, pretty much. Well, excluding the headlights and the fenders, but the alternator's buried all the way down in here, as you can see. And it ain't no easy work for an alternator. But I just wanted to show you there really isn't no other way to do it. This is a '08 Cadillac DTS, 8-digit Y. Alternator's buried all the way inside the middle of the engine, pretty much. She's not bad. Picked her up for a hell of a deal. Ran good when I got it, except for someone hacked off the converters. But I just wanted to let you know that that's just the only way you can work with these '08, '06s to 2011 DTSs. Is the only way you can get the alternator out is this way, unless you want to disconnect a whole lot of other things like brake lines and other things. I'd appreciate if you hit a like on this and subscribe. I'll be investing into a GoPro tonight or tomorrow, and I'm gonna start coming with some real good videos. That way I can actually just record it as I go, instead of these little short videos that don't help you much, and I apologize for that. But this is Scott the Barber signing off. Thank you. Have a great evening.